Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video on the Surface Duo. So it's been over 30 days that I've had the Surface Duo original, and I have decided to go ahead and sell this device. Actually, I'm going to trade this device when I go back to the States, either in December or January. When I trade in my iPhone 12 Pro Max for the 13 Pro Max, I will be trading this for one of the iPhones as well, probably just a regular 13. I just don't see this getting a lot of support from Microsoft. There's been the Android 12 update. I just got a security patch today. This is on iOS 15 point something. I think it's like 0.2. While this still sits on Android 10, still on October's security patch. So we're just into November, so I do expect him to put out a security patch for this, hopefully. But while this thing is still operating and it's still working like it should, I'm gonna go ahead and trade it. I was gonna try to sell it here, but it's too difficult trying to explain to people what this actually is. And then I was gonna give it to someone here, and they kind of looked at it and went like, nah, it's too big to put in my pocket, and the cameras are not good. So I couldn't argue with that. That's pretty much a given on this device. People know that these cameras are not the greatest, but it's a great device for the right person. Like I said, if I was still in business, I would definitely keep this and hold on to it as long as I could while it's working. If I was in school, if I was someone who just liked to plan out my day, this is a great device for that, but I just don't use it enough to justify keeping it, any more than I've had it now for over 30 days. I wanted to try this out, and I got it at a great price, which gave me the opportunity to try it out. But to be honest, the last probably 10 days, I have not touched this thing. And I saw some deals that were offered with Apple that's coming up for the holidays, and you know what? Yeah, so this is gonna get traded. And any questions you guys have while I still have this, because I'm gonna be here, I probably won't go back to the States and probably till either the end of December or the beginning of January. I'll go back to the States because I plan on buying the new iPad Pro, a new Apple Watch, a new iPhone, and possibly the new MacBook Pro. I'm still kind of, because I went back and I looked at my MacBook Pro and all the stuff that I put into it for all the specs that I got it upgraded with and what I got in it and what they're gonna offer me for a trade. I'm kind of leery on that one. But definitely, this is a good device for the right person that wants to get it. I just don't see Microsoft, man, just supporting it. That's my only problem with this device. And when I looked at a lot of the reviews and I looked at how was this thing selling, that was one of the things I wanted to know. Is the second version selling real well? Honestly, none of the Surface devices are selling very well. That's a surprise, because I would think that the Surface Pro 8 will be selling a lot better than it is, but it's not. And this thing definitely is not selling very well. So I would say probably right after Christmas, probably look for the new one, the second version, to be on some type of fire sale. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate everybody watching as always, and see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.